I just got up. It's 4:20. Got my exams today. Oh God, I've got my exams today. Need to get up, change, set myself up, and get out because Parimal will be waiting for me at 5:30 at the station or at the college. Deepika will come at 6 o'clock. I have to teach them about advanced computer. Yes, because they've not studied at all. No, Deepika must have studied, but Prema hasn't studied at all. So I'm very sleepy right now, but I have to get up, set myself up, and go. As I said, again and again I'm saying the same thing. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm ready with my outfit, ready for the college. See what I'm wearing. If y'all can see, I'm back in my favorite jeans. I love these jeans. It's 4:45. I am very punctual. Raymond must be waiting. I don't know if I've got money or not. I need to check that. If not, I have to take out money from the bank. ATM actually. So yeah, let's do it. Let's hit the road. I've come out of my house. I'm on the street. There's nobody on the street. It's only me. And there are dogs. My favorite dogs are sitting there. See? I don't know if you can see. Okay. The focus is out of. Okay, people might think I'm mad for doing this. What the hell? What are you doing? He came out chasing me, so I had to send him back. My dogs are possessive about me, so sorry for doing this, but there's no light over here. I just have to go quickly. You know, these dogs, they just love me. See, one more is coming here, if you can see that. The dog is now going to come down because he loves me a lot. She loves me a lot. And yeah, see. Dogs love me. See, another dog who loves me but doesn't show it. Baba, don't jump on me, guys. Hi, Wolfetta. Okay, I have to get used to catching this thing properly. There's nobody on the street. It's a bit cold. I love this thing that there's nobody in the street, so I can talk to myself. Okay, and there's somebody coming, so I'll just shout. Reached my college, which is in Bhayandar West, opposite Max's Mall. Over here also the streets are empty. I need to look before I cross. Yeah. The person who I met, who was coming towards me, was actually dead scared of dogs. So he wanted somebody to be with him. Actually what happens is that because at this time nobody is there, so my dogs, they chase away every person, so that there's nobody to harass me. My dogs are possessive about me, but yeah. Okay, over here the shadows covering the light source. Now I'll be just studying, revising for the advanced computer thing, and waiting for Premal and Deepika, because I have to make them study the whole thing. They just don't call me smarty pants for no rhyme or reason. So everybody is present over here, and
अगले साल आना गाली दूंगा.
मुझे बाल खोलने थे.
okay, people are preparing for the video blog. मैं बहुत फास्ट रखा हूँ इसको मेरा आँख की तरफ. अरे हटना यार.
Don't do that.
This is Premal Solanki, the mischievous monkey. And that is the Sundar Ladki.
And this is Abla Nari.
Hut teri ki.
Hi.
That is Sumi. That is Sufi.
Sufi देखना.
And this is the Bandar.
देखने बोला. देखने बोला.
तुझे बोल रहा हूँ. So we are studying right now. वैसे तो हम लोग पढ़ाई कुछ कर नहीं रहे. We are just sitting and talking about Deepika's dream of being treated up by Isha ma'am.
हाँ ना. फेल कर दिया नहीं. 100 out of 80 दिया मैम ने मेरे को पास, वो भी 2 स्केल मारी थी.
2 साल के मिला क्या
You
मार्क्स?
know,
चलो.
इसके सपने में everybody has come except me. Because I
किसी को
talk.
पढ़ाना-
Because इंसान आते हैं इसके
किसी को
सपने
coding
में,
आता है?
इंसान.
हाँ.
Shut up.
गधे नहीं.
Yeah, you should be
Table और
talking
form
in
की
English
नहीं है.
because I have to
अभी फोटो नहीं,
translate
सुबह
all the
सुबह
things.
उसमें फोटो नहीं, actually मेरे को खोल के ना कॉपी करना
Bye.
चाहिए, सीधे
Ciao. I
इमेज
need
आती
to
है.
study and make them also study. Ciao. I should be studying right now, and I'm actually talking about that Alia. Gulabo. That Alia Bhatt is not looking nice in Gulabo. Can you imagine? I should be studying right now. It's 8:10. 8:30 ko we will be starting with our exams. So I hope I do well. And that's Premal. You can't be seen.
एक सेकंड छोड़.
Okay.
Yo guys, it's me Premal Solanki and this is our Pagal Aurat Amir Khan. And wait a second, I will show you someone. Come here. This is my friend Pragati the Khekdi. You wanna see her face? See. Video चालू है. This is, I don't know who is she. Sorry. This is Brunmai, our hashtag party.
नंबर आएगा ना, इन्हें क्या बोल रही हूँ? फॉर्म का जो
That is Deepika, a cute girl.
फॉर्म की जो
ये मोटी टेडी बेयर.
इनपुट टाइप टेक्स्ट
Sufyan Haddi. Wait. This is our झंगी औरत है, मालूम पड़ गया.
Okay, so now I'll be stopping with this. So right now I'm in the class and it's around 8:20 and within 10 minutes our exam is going to start. So I hope everything goes well. This is our last exam. Sorry for the earlier part where Premal sabotaged my camera and did rubbish things, but yeah, let's finish with the exams. Okay, we finished with the exams. Sorry for the noise. We are in a rickshaw. We are going to do Deepika's work. That is actually her boyfriend's work. Osama. Okay. Look at us message. Okay. Our exams went totally awesome.
My exam was terrible. I don't know if I'm gonna get passed or not.
She is going to pass.
I hope I get passed.
I'm going to beat that pass. Beat that, yeah. Achha, so now I'm with the cyber cafe. And later on I'll be going for mom's work. Right now, doing work on my laptop for the yesterday's vlog. I have to assemble it so that I can upload it. And it seems that these kids were going on calling me because, especially Aman. That's Aman, the one with his. Acha, Ketan is not wearing specs. It's him who's wearing specs. He was going on calling me, and I could not hear him because my headphones were on. So he's now saying that he wants me to come out. So right now I'm going to tell him that I'm not coming out, Aman. I'm doing vlog ka kaam. So I'll catch you later. And look at them, they're monkeys. They're sitting on the cycle calling Amir. One is calling Amir, another is calling Bhaiya, another is saying come fast. And I'm like, is that for me? Like, oh my god, okay. So that's what I wanted to say. Ciao. So I've just finished editing the last day's vlog. And I don't remember what's the name for the vlog. But I think I will check out on you can check that out on YouTube. And my mom is looking at me like I'm such a weirdo talking to the camera. And she's laughing at that statement. I have to upload this video right now, so I'm gonna upload it as soon as possible. I'm gonna send the link to all my friends. But I'm a bit nervous sending this on YouTube is because it's looking kind of awkward. Like,
It's not looking professional.
It is not professional. It's about my personal life. How can I show about professional? My mom says it's not looking like professional.
It isn't looking
Looking professional. Sorry. I'm again. I'm not used to the talking to the camera. Okay, so I'll be now uploading the video. Let's see what people will react. How will people react to it? I don't want to upload it. I don't want to upload it. Let's see. I have to now. Firstly, I have to, before uploading it, I need to make this thing. What do you call it? The YouTube channel art that I am working on currently right now. After that, I'll upload it. I can just give you a glimpse of what I'm working on. I don't know if it can record that or not, because again, less ISO settings. So, lol, I forgot to check out. Okay, so this is supposed to be my work. I don't know if you can see this or not. Yeah, I think you can. This is the channel art I'm going to upload. Then later on uploading this, I'll upload my video and let's see what kind of reactions I get from people. So okay, that's it.